Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to a brand new video. So hope you guys are having amazing days, guys. Back again with a tech video for you guys. So guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to fix your fake AirPods or AirPods replica, whatever you want to call them. So what would happen is either they will fully die or maybe like one AirPod or one earbud is pairing but the other one isn't. So I found a really nice trick to fix this problem. So what I would really do is I would use a good lightning cable and I would leave them on charge overnight, and then in the morning before you try to pair them again, first you want to go into your Bluetooth settings and you want to basically forget these AirPods from your pairing list, and then you can try to connect it again. This works for me every time. I have tried this trick almost like 2 to 3 different times. And another thing I felt was whenever I would try to connect these AirPods with 3 to 4 different devices, then these AirPods wouldn't connect to my smartphone or my first smartphone which I have paired these AirPods to. But I used the same kind of trick by leaving it on charge overnight and coming in the morning and then try to connect it. And another point I would really like to say is the cable which comes with these AirPods is like the quality is really bad. So what I would really recommend is if you have some other good lightning cable in the house, you can use that to charge these AirPods. Not only they are going to charge quicker, but also you won't have the problem of them not charging. And if you try to plug it using your original cable which comes with these AirPods, it won't just charge. To be honest, mine broke in the first week, so I'm using a third party lightning cable which works really nicely with these AirPods. So anyways, I decided to share it with you guys because this hack really works for me. So if this video was helpful, you can give it a like, and if you're new, consider subscribing. I become a part of this channel. And thanks for watching, and goodbye.